Persistence is our nature. Excellence is our character. Permanence is our pursuit. We are Shanghai Koko Valves Company, a bright pearl in the valve industry, and a big name brand on the bank of Huangpu River. 2-decade struggle, regretless and rewarding. In 1987, like a newborn baby, Koko Valves Company emerged in the beautiful land of China. It has been growing up constantly and went through all kinds of obstacles in the tide of China's reform and opening up, and finally became a bright and proud star. It is well known that there are lots of powerful and influential enterprises residing on the bank of Huangpu River, just like tigers hide among forests. During 2 decades, as a part of these enterprises, Koko Valves has accumulated rich manufacturing experience, improved product quality, and provided better service. Therefore, it gained a good reputation in China's valve manufacturing industry. After 20 years of hardship, efforts, and development, Koko Valves came to play the leading role in the valve industry. Oriented by a broad mind and integrity, Koko has always been embracing both challenges and opportunities, with the confidence and the ambition of being a winner, which has achieved the perfect combination of the national industry and the world top technology to become a high-tech enterprise, integrating R&D, manufacture, inspection, and sales of industrial valves. With the constant expanding of the brand Koko, more and more Koko products have been exported to all the countries around the world, such as Middle East, Southeast Asia, Western countries, and America. Koko won the great honor for Chinese valve enterprises. Professional and charming. Now, Koko Valves Company Limited is headquartered in Nanxiang Industrial Zone of Shanghai, with convenient transportation and rich information. It holds 3 production bases and covers an area totaling 98,000 square meters. Factory Section 1 mainly produces ball valves, butterfly valves, and special valves. Factory Section 2 mainly produces ANSI series of valves and general valves. And Factory Section 3 is mainly for casting and processing of fittings. What is Koko's biggest characteristic? All devoted Koko members will tell you the answer. That is professional. Professional mind, professional people, professional equipment, professional technology, and professional management. All these numerous professional aspects contribute to the birth of Koko Valves products, one after another. Koko Valves Company Limited now has more than 600 sets of high-tech equipment, including several large processing centers, large vertical lathes, milling machines, planers, grinding machines, and other various processing and inspection devices for physical and chemical analysis, performance test, heat treatment, non-destructive flaw detection, plasma surfacing. While perfecting our professional equipment constantly, we also have never stopped our steps in improving our capacities in process innovation. Besides, we've been exploring actively and developed several automatic production lines independently to establish a large-scale production capacity for general products, thus having changed China's production mode of general products. At present, Koko's products mainly include gate valves, butterfly valves, ball valves, globe valves, check valves, power station valves, and special valves with pressure available from 1.0 MPa to 32 MPa, 150 pounds to 3,500 pounds, diameter DN10 to DN3500, 1/2 inch to 140 inches. Main materials: WCB, stainless steel, high-temperature alloy steel, low-temperature steel, also available for making customized valves, with special materials like drill-face steel, hastelloy steel, Inconel, Monel, tie material, etc. Main generator modes: manual, gear worm, spur gear, bevel gear, pneumatic, electric, hydraulic, electric, pneumatic, hydraulic, etc. In addition, we've developed special valves for alumina, desulfurizer, chemical fertilizer, and the like, based on introducing in advanced foreign technologies, which have filled in many blanks at home. Koko presents each and every product to customers after the most professional inspection. We are equipped with the modern quality inspection and testing center, which can carry out accurately the chemical analysis for materials, the spectral analysis, the metallurgical analysis, the test of mechanical performance, the shock test, the helium inspection, and the vacuum test, and the follow-up check is carried out for all products by the Quality Inspection Department. In case of unqualified products during the production, the checker will mark and separate them at once, while the correction measures will be made by the responsible department, which are not allowed to leave the factory unless they go through the strict confirmation of being qualified. Therefore, Koko is always in pursuit of 100% acceptability of delivered products. The professional characteristic of Koko is increasing its charm and catching more eyes. Now, Koko's series of products, which is developed independently, have filled in the domestic blanks and even replaced the imported ones. It's making great strides towards the internationalization, holding many qualifications. The certification is not only the embodiment of an enterprise product quality, but a symbol of its strength. Koko members have been all along regarding QA as our life, pursuit of excellence as our duty, and great improving as our objective, to make unremitting efforts to climb towards the zenith of the valve industry. In recent years, Koko has gained the certificates of API, ISO 9001-2000 International Quality System of TUV, Module HCE Mark OPD, Manufacturing License of Special Equipment, and TUV API 607 Fire-Proofing Test Certificate successively by right of its excellent process and products. These world-famous certificates have not only witnessed the quality of Koko valves, but shown its international character. Now, Koko Valves has been a member of Valve Branch of China General Machinery Industry Association, Sinopec Material Resources Market, and First-Level Supply Network of CMPC, China Power, and a designated enterprise of both the State Bureau of Petroleum and Chemical Industries, enterprise honoring on contract and credit in Shanghai. So far, Koko valves have been widely applied in such industries as petrochemical, natural gas, metallurgy, power, pharmacy, and construction. These qualifications and certificates not only tell people Koko's development history and witness its glorious achievements over the past 2 decades, but indicate its promising prospect. Holding over 1,000 elites, the professional character builds up the quality. In the final analysis, the competition among enterprises is actually the one among talents. The talents have been recognized as the most valuable wealth and treasure of an enterprise. Clinging to the belief in this iron-like law of competition, Koko has always upholding the talent strategy of selecting proper talents, making good use of them, and retaining them to attract and gather technical elites from all corners of the world with a broad mind to make great efforts to build up a firm and strong talent fortress of Koko. After the long time of talent strategy, Koko has had a high-quality talent team. More than 1,000 talents from different regions have gathered together in Koko, including senior experts in scientific research, professional technicians, and experienced management talents, as well as fresh graduates from universities. They are integrated into a whole in this big family of Koko to struggle together for Koko's quality. While providing a stage for talents to give full play to them, Koko also attaches great importance to the retraining for employees. The staff class held regularly has become its talent training base, where numerous Koko members acquire the knowledge and achieve the new growth in their life journey. Besides, Koko's been committed to developing the sense of belonging and honor for Koko members by organizing cultural and recreational activities to strengthen the emotional communication amongst employees and creating a warm and comfortable living environment to make employees from different regions feel the warmth of this big family. World-famous perfect service. The maximum value of an enterprise is embodied in the comments from customers. The excellent Valve products go to users finally. Therefore, only the 100% user satisfaction can embody the Valve value to the maximum. It is guided by this concept that Koko is committed to perfecting its service. By virtue of their preeminent quality, honest operation, and considerate service, Koko valves have enjoyed a good reputation both at home and abroad and are exported to different regions. To provide high-quality service for customers from all corners of the world, Koko has worked out a complete set of systems for service before, during, and after sales. Our company has set up service centers where excellent employees are selected to serve customers at the front line of service. Besides, we carry out the follow-up for the service quality with a dedicated 24-hour after-service hotline. In case of any comments, customers can dial this hotline and we'll respond to any complaints within 2 hours. For quality faults, our service personnel must arrive at the scene within 2 days and stay there until faults are removed. That is the most serious commitment made by all Koko members. It's the expectation and belief of Koko members that is leading to China's Valve development and strive to build up a world-famous Valve brand. It's an eternal spirit of Koko members that is honest, devoted, innovative, and transcendent. Maybe many difficulties and setbacks are waiting for us, but Koko members will never stop our steps of pursuit and never give up the most promising prospect. We will struggle for the eternal belief in our mind.